Hello everyone, you are done with your INESET exam. Congratulations to everyone who appeared in the exam. Now, you are 19 days apart from the NEET PG exam. How are you going to approach towards that? For that, you would be having your own strategy. You can watch this strategy and supplement your own strategy. Now, I have divided the entire strategy into two main parts and I will be uploading the parts alongwise. The first part will be depending upon your GT scores. And the second part will be primarily for everyone on a generalized strategy for the last 19 days. Have a look on the video. Talking about the last 19 days strategy for NEET, it all depends upon your INESET and the recent GT marks. Each one of you needs a different approach. You don't need to blindly follow someone else's plan. So, I have divided it on the basis of the number of corrects. Those who are scoring greater than 150 corrects, what are they going to do? First and foremost, you don't have to change any of the strategy because you are the one who can easily get greater than 160 in NEET. Whatever you are doing is the correct approach. I don't want you to take anyone's strategy. Whatever has been done till now for INESET or for your GT, please start following the same course, nothing else. Primarily, try to strengthen your weaker subjects. Usually, I don't say that you have to strengthen your weak subject, but because you're already greater than 150, it is your duty to at least master your weak subjects so that it becomes very easy for you to claim the entire good scores in the entire 19 subjects. Apart from that, give frequent subject tests and solve more question. Now this strategy is actually similar for everyone. जितने भी marks आ रहे हो 90 से लेके 200 के बीच में जितने भी number of corrects हो उन सब के लिए you have to give more and more subject tests and try to solve more and more questions. Talking about those who are scoring between 130 to 150, these are the population who are going to have a clustered rank between 10 to 20,000 in NEET PG for sure. So you have to be above than all of these clustered people. Okay, so what are you going to do? You have to go retrogradely and analyze your mistake. आपने INESET दे दिया है या फिर आपने कोई recent NEET दे रखा होगा, उसके basis पे you have to go retrogradely and try to analyze your mistake. So for example, your mistake was time management. You have to improve your time. You have to improve your time to solve one question. For that, you have to solve the 40 question schedule in 20 minutes. This is easily available in any of the platform, especially in Marrow. They have this thing that 40 marks question also they have introduced in the custom module. Second, if you think these were the factual errors, I will tell you what to do. You just read once what was that fact asked. ठीक है? Either you try to retain it or leave it. It doesn't matter. It will not create even a difference. ठीक है? So just do this thing. Next, talking about recall based errors. Active recall is the solution. Active recall kunji hai is cheez ki you have to do active recall because see, sometimes what happens, we just try to flip the pages very passively, but your brain requires active retainment of all those concepts. That's why active recall is must. Silly mistakes. If it was all about your silly mistakes, please remember that you have to solve greater than 100 questions every day so that you try to avoid these silly mistakes frequently. Okay, and if these are the concept related errors, remember you just have 3 more days to solve your concepts. नो मोर कॉन्सेप्ट सॉल्विंग आफ्टर दैट. कॉन्सेप्ट 3 दिन के बाद नहीं बनाने हैं क्योंकि नीट पीजी आने वाला है और नीट पीजी एक कॉन्सेप्ट को नहीं पूछेगा. 19 सब्जेक्ट्स के 1900 डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट पूछे जाते हैं. सो एक कॉन्सेप्ट के पीछे नहीं भागना है और फोमो को हटा कर रखना है. लीव योर फोमो. नेक्स्ट, do not change your source. Never ever change your source. Third very important thing, do not be aggressive to give greater than 2 GTs. Now people will be like, मेरा time management नहीं हो पाया, मैं GT नहीं कर पाया आज तक, अब मैं at last point of time पे greater than 2 GT 3 GTs दूंगा. I have seen so many messages where they were saying that every day I will be giving 1 GT. No, this is not a good technique to right now, please. Apart from that, self-interrogation should be always greater than the self-doubt. At this point of time, you are not at a point where you are going to doubt yourself. It has to be more and more of self-interrogation. Okay? You have to interrogate and find the solution for yourself. And the last and the most important, try to strengthen your intermediate subject. What are the intermediate subjects? According to your GT graph. I have already told you this in my last video. You can check it out. But for the completion, I'm telling you that the intermediate subjects are ऊपर के 4 subjects और नीचे के 5 weak subjects को छोड़ के जो बाकी 10 important subjects है उनको आपको strengthen करना है. This should be the strategy for all of them who are scoring between 130 to 150. Now, talking about those who are scoring between 110 to 130, please remember same thing. Retrogradely, you have to analyze the same mistakes. Now, for you especially, focus more on the volatile subjects, especially like biochem, physio and pedia. Biochem, it's a very volatile subject. Try to have a grip over that. Along with that, pedia, all those growth and development, neonatology and the developmental milestone, entire thing is volatile. Along with the physio aspect, the general physio, which is very very important. NEET loves to ask the general physio questions. Solve at least 150 MCQs daily. These 150 MCQs should be of the subject that you are reading, along with the mixed questions that you would be taking the different subjects. Along with that, you should also have the PYT or the PYQs, or you can go for the recent NEET or the AIMS PYQ. However, I'm not in a very good favor for the recent NEET, but if you want, you can go for that. Fourth, solve more and more image-based questions along with the clinical vignettes. You know, whenever you feel that now you are not having the wish to read और मन नहीं कर रहा है पढ़ने का, सीधे image-based question खोल के बैठ जाओ और मजे करो. बहुत अच्छा लगता है हिस्टोपैथ के questions करने में. Try to solve all those questions. Okay, master more and more PYTs. Do not try to read only the weaker subjects or build concept. This is something, you know, people will be doing at this point of time. I came across so many messages कि sir, at this point of time we are not able to do anything. Is it better कि जो मेरे concepts अभी तक नहीं है वो मैं बना लूँ? नहीं, अभी नहीं हो पाएगा. You have to be more practical. Concepts बनने थे, अभी बहुत टाइम था आपके पास, अभी नहीं हो पाया. Fine. Either try to read that thing, try to memorize it, try to ratify it, or if you are not able to do that, please do not waste your time on one concept if you are not able to achieve it, because there are this entire NEET PG course is an entire ocean. You don't want to have that one pinch of salt from that entire ocean. Are you getting that? So please try to not go into a FOMO of not having concepts or the weaker subjects. It's not at all useful at this point of time. Now, talking about those who are scoring 90 to 110. Again, this is a major chunk of population currently. So please remember, if you have just started, maybe, you know, due to certain personal reasons, you were not able to start for the last 2 to 3 months, or you are a recently passed intern, now what to do? So first and foremost, if you don't have anything, you can go for the BTR, try to watch ma'am's BTR videos. If not BTR videos, try to watch ma'am's ENDs or solve ma'am's END. This is something that you should do at this point of time. If not, if you're not having BTR, any of the RR video from any of the platforms should be watched or just reviewed. Along with that, PYQs has to be solved, and daily at least 40 questions so you have to do. Currently, your target should be to achieve at least greater than 120. Okay, so for this, you can just go for this approach. For those, even after reading for the entire 1 year or 6 months, you are not able to. Now, there are two important possibilities. Either you are solving daily questions, or you have never solved the questions or very little questions. If you are solving daily questions, please remember you have to take a short path, the critical path. BTR, DBT or any of the previous source that you are following, try to just watch the Delta MCQ questions of that platform. Third, very important, retrograde approach to know your flaws that I have already mentioned before. You can see that. 1 GT at least, bachcho, you have to give 1 GT at least, pakka. Along with that, strategical approach rather than laboring yourself. You don't have to labor. People keep on saying me, sir, I'm reading for 14 hours, even after that I'm not able to. और मेरा friend है जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ 4 घंटे पढ़ता है. भाई, हो सकता है वो 4 घंटे में उसकी quality better हो. I'm not saying you are not working hard, but you need not to have a labored effect. Na? Try to have that strategical approach, and I have been talking about only strategy, the smart work and smart work. This is something that is going to help you in NEET PG. I know we as the aspirants will be trying to solve one question and we are behind that one subject for the most of the time, but it doesn't work like that. एक दिन में एक subject इस point of time में it is not valuable for you. You have to collab so many subjects in one day so that it is at last more integrated and more beneficial to you. Okay, now the second one are who have never solved or solved very little questions. Please remember, questions only. At this point of time, you just have to do the questions. You start solving the questions, get back to the notes if it is not understandable, read the notes, again solve the question. That should be your approach. The cycle should go on like this: questions, reading, approach, question, reading, approach. Okay, plus last 5 days revision is must. How to do that? In the next video I'm going to tell you. Next, the last points about those who are scoring less than 90. Please don't get disheartened. I will be telling you one very strategical in the short path for the same. Just strengthen your short subjects. अब ना इसके पीछे मत भागो, मेरी एनाटमी वीक है, मेरे से मेडिसिन नहीं हो रहा, सर्जरी ऑब्सगनी PSM में नहीं कर पा रहा. कोई बात नहीं कर पा रहे, फाइन. We will try the another method. How to do that? ट्राई टू गो फॉर ऑर्थो, डर्मा, साइकी, एफएमटी, ऑफ्था, ईएनटी, एनेस्थीसिया. इनको तो बाय हार्ट लर्न कर लो भाई. 19 दिन बहुत होते हैं ये सारे के सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को रिवाइज करने के लिए. इफ यू डू दिस ना, आई एम टेलिंग यू एटलीस्ट 40 to 50 क्वेश्चंस तो पक्का पक्का आप करेक्ट कर लोगे. ये तो हो गया शॉर्ट सब्जेक्ट का. देन गो फॉर माइक्रो एंड बायोकेम. अगेन माइक्रो एंड बायोकेम यू कैन डू एनी ऑफ द आर. प्रीति मैम्स नॉर्मल यूट्यूब वीडियोज आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड वॉच देम. Do this again 20 क्वेश्चंस तो आप पक्का कर लोगे. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द अदर सब्जेक्ट्स, पीवाईक्यू करो बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स के. अगर उसमें से 30 या 40 भी कर दे तो ऑलरेडी 110 में आ रहे हो भाई, और आधे से ज़्यादा तो आपकी पुरानी नॉलेज होगी. तो ये फोमो नहीं रखना है कि यार मैंने तो ये नहीं पढ़ा, मैंने अभी पीडिया करा, ये टॉपिक नहीं पढ़ा, मेरा कैसे होगा, मेरा सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. Those 3.5 hours matter a lot. Only those 3.5 hours matter for changing your rank from 50,000 to 15,000 or 5,000. I'm telling you, and this is a personal experience that I have felt. I was knowing at least most of the questions in NEET PG 2024, but what happened due to my that second instinct वाला game, then due to the fact that मैं FOMO में रहा, यार ये इतना easy question कैसे हो सकता है, ये तो मैं अभी custom module में करके आ रहा हूँ, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता. And then overthinking on the same question led me to just answer 150 corrects in my NEET PG, and that should not happen to you at this point of time. Please try to be more strategical. Okay, so this was the strategy based on the different scores, different corrects, and this should be different for everyone. Do not blindly approach any of the strategy. हो सकता है आप 90 करेक्ट कर रहे हो, लेकिन जिस बंदे ने आपको स्ट्रैटेजी दे रखी है वो स्ट्रैटेजी आपकी उन लोगों के लिए हो जो 150 करेक्ट कर रहे हैं. तो at that point of time it will not help ना. You have to be very smart at this point of time so that you can achieve the final 19 days game for NEET PG. So thank you. Be tuned for the next strategical video that is on the focusing on the last 19 days strategy that I have divided into 10 plus 6 plus 3 days. All the best. Bye. Now focusing on the general strategy for every one of you, 19 days strategy. Till 5th June, you have to have your core concepts with lots of questions. Till 11th June, you should go for the game changer topics. And for 12, 13 and 14 June, you should be doing a final polish plus the mental preparation. Remember, not all the days are equal. Use this split plan to be more precise for your entire strategy. Now, talking about the first till 5th June, that is when you are having these 10 days. Please remember, you have to build your base for this point of time. No new concepts at this point of time. Remember this thing. No new notes, no new faculty, nothing new. Next, solve questions for greater than 60% of your day, and rest 40% should be your revision time. Okay? Try to focus more on questions. These questions will be involving subject tests, custom modules, PYQs along with the mini test, and also 1 GT in between 7 days. Apart from that, सीमेंट योर शॉर्ट सब्जेक्ट्स. सी, शॉर्ट सब्जेक्ट्स का सबसे ज़्यादा वैल्यू होता है. पीपल लिटरली लूज देयर ट्रैक ओवर द शॉर्ट सब्जेक्ट. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, वो चीज़ सेलेक्ट करो जो डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन देती है, जो क्वेश्चन गलत करने के निल चांसेस है, एंड दैट इज बेसिकली कमिंग फ्रॉम योर शॉर्ट सब्जेक्ट्स. Now, I've already discussed about the 3 subject strategy. You can go and watch in the video, but if not, I'm just giving you a brief overview of that. What you have to do, daily one short subject, and in 2 days one long and one intermediate subject has to be completed. So for example, you start from tomorrow surgery, anatomy and ortho in 1 day, and the second day surgery, anatomy and the radio. In this way 4 subjects are getting completed in 2 days with lot of questions. Please remember, do not just study, try to be more smarter. Okay, now talking about one very mummy ke nuske wala thing, take a proper sleep. Now, if you are taking any medications because you are feeling anxiety, restless, sleep problems, and you would have already faced it in your INET, right? Now you are mentally prepared for that. This could happen in your NEET also. Remember this one thing, that you have to start these medications from the last 12 days. Do not try the new medications in the last 4 to 5 days. Train your brain for the last 12 days कि भाई मैं मेडिकेशन खाने वाला हूँ, मुझे प्रॉपर सही रखना बिफोर द NEET PG एग्जाम. Okay, have a light breakfast every day and increase amount of fruits and more of water because these are the summer days. Apart from that, one mummy ka nuskha very properly, soaked almonds khao and arar ki dal piyo. This helped me a lot. Guys, till 11th June, 6 से लेके 11 जून तक, भाई ये गेम चेंजर है. This is the rank deciding zone. Now, I have made a planner for you. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. स्क्रीनशॉट दिस, ओके। डेली फार्मा, टॉपिक वाइज फार्मा पढ़ो। डेली कम से कम 1 to 2 आवर्स या 1 to 1.5 आवर्स फार्मा पढ़नी है। फार्मा एक बल्क में नहीं पढ़ना है, ड्रग्स को डेली देखना है, और उस फार्मा के साथ साथ डेली सिस्टम्स देखने हैं रिलेटेड टू इट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू आर डूइंग द रीनल, try to do renal, physio, patho, pharma as well as medicine of the entire renal. This should be your daily 6 to 11 day का plan. Apart from that, see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 को क्या क्या पढ़ना है, I have made this for you. Microderma, radio, psyche, whatever I have written here, you can just take the screenshot of this and this will be helping you a lot. ठीक है, but the only thing, एक ही गुजारिश आपसे है कि डेली के डेली फार्मा ज़रूर कर लेना. This is something very 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 important. Apart from that, revision is greater than solving the questions at this point of time. If you contrast this with here, I told you कि यहाँ पे आप 60% of the day questions करो. यहाँ पे मैं बोल रहा हूँ try to do more and more revision, because at this point of time, do not challenge your brain. Try to do more and more revision. Okay, at least adjust a GT in between them. One GT pakka. Try to do, have the flashcards, the image based questions, the instruments, everything has to be done in this point of time. This is the game changer. यहाँ से 130 वाला बंदा 160 पे आ सकता है, 160 वाला 180 पे जा सकता है, and also if you lack in this thing, 150 वाला बंदा दोबारा से 120 पे खिसक सकता है. I'm telling you, personally tested and tried. That's why this zone is the most important zone. Talking about the last 3 zones, last 3 days, what are you going to do? So for the last 3 days, your peak performance mode should be on. Rapid fire revision should be done. Only the volatile topics should be seen. Along with that, revise GT errors. More and more GT errors should be revised. Now 12, 13, 14, तीनों के तीनों दिन at least passive revision of the 20th copy or the images or the bookmarks or the pearls has to be done. अगर आपके पास इनमें से कुछ नहीं है, कम से कम important topics आपने लिखे होंगे, उनको रिवाइज करना शुरू करो. Apart from that, histopath is very very important. Instruments, X-ray, पिक्चर बेस्ड सब्जेक्ट, स्पेशली डर्मा एंड ऑफ्थेल, ये 12 तारीख को खत्म कर दो. कमिंग टूवर्ड्स 13, ऑल द कैंसर्स, emergencies, general path, general pharma, general physio, most important. People literally miss them on the last day. You don't have to do this. You have to see general path, pharma and physio for sure. Along with that, PYQs/PYQs. I'm never in a favor of PYQs because it creates a bias in the last 2 to 3 days. So try to do more and more PYTs. Okay, now comes the final day, the day of judgment, right? 14th, because this is the day when you are going to revise all the 19 subjects by 4 p.m. ठीक है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, ईट घर का खाना, बाहर का कुछ मत खाओ, गुड स्लीप लो, 11:30 तक ज़ैनब मैम की आशीर्वाद क्लास देखो, पैसिव फ्लिपिंग ऑफ द पेजेस करो, काम एंड कॉम्पोज रहना है. जितना काम एंड कॉम्पोज रहोगे उस दिन ही आप अपना बेस्ट दे पाओगे फॉर द नेक्स्ट 3.5 hours. These 3 days aren't about effort, they are about execution. The execution that you are going to do on the last day. Please remember, revision is always greater than questions. Avoid the panic study, adjust GT smartly, track every mistake and finish stronger as much as you can. Just remember, these strategies are going to change your entire rank for NEET PG. ठीक है? Now, in between, I have written a plus here because last is the GT. I want to tell you one thing about GT because you will definitely be giving 2 GT. नहीं दे रहे हो तो सोचो, 2 GT देने का तो पक्का सोचो. एक मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट में दो, एक इवनिंग शिफ्ट में. जो सेकंड वाला होगा वो इवनिंग शिफ्ट में देना और शुरुआत वाला मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट में देना. सो दैट अभी ये नीट पीजी का मॉर्निंग इवनिंग वाला चल रहा है. वी डोंट नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, बट टिल दिस टाइम वी विल बी अज्यूमिंग कि मॉर्निंग इवनिंग ही है. बाकी जो केस फाइल कर रहे हैं उन्हें करने दो. अगर होता है सबका हित होगा, नहीं भी होता है तो भी लोगों का एडवांटेज होता है. यू कुड टेक द एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस. प्लीज रिमेंबर, यू हैव टू गिव द GT and 15th June is yours. Go claim it and thank me later. Bye. All the very best.